So, the lesson, the making of global world, and we are concluding the lesson today with the four part. This is the rebuilding a world economy, and let we study topic one by one. First topic of the four part is the post-war era. In this topic, we will study the features of World War II. The Second World War was broke out a mere or just or only 2 decades after the end of First World War. It was fought between the Axis power and Allies power. Axis power were Nazi Germany, Japan, Italy. Allies power were Britain, France, Soviet Union and US. Second World War was fought from several fronts as land, air and water. 60 million people were killed means 3% world population was died in 1939 or believed to kill directly or indirectly. Most of the people were died with war related cause means many of the people were dependent on the various activities which were producing the war related goods in the front in the war. Large part of Asia and Europe was destroyed by the aerial bombing or continued attack of the military. Even many of the areas where the harvest was destroyed. Two influences were shaped or the two result was seen after the World War II. Emergence of US dominance in economy, politics and military power in the Western world means America or the US became the powerful country in the area of economy, politics and military. And second, Soviet Union. It was also called USSR. United Socialist Soviet Russia grew as dominant country after huge sacrifice to destroy to Germany and became another superpower. So student, you have to tell the name of countries in the central bloc or the central power in the World War First. So student, our second topic is post-war settlement and Bretton Woods institution. So there are something you should study. Economic and politician drew two key lessons from the interwar economic experience. First, where they had taught the production and its relation with the other activities. Second, the influence of the countries on the different movement. So let's we study the first. An industrial society based on mass production cannot be sustained without mass consumption. Ensured mass consumption had need for high and stable income. Income could not be stable without stable employment, and stable incomes required steady and full employment. Economic stability could be ensured only through the intervention of government. Means the government have the total control on the policies on rules and regulations and some important activities to get the tax from the public. Second, country's economy linked with the outside world. There was much need to control on the several flows or the movement, so the employment can be ensured. Flows of goods, flows of capital, flows of labor, where it was very important. So student, our next topic is next Bretton Woods system. This system was made for the reconstruction activities or the steps after the World War II. The main aim of the post-war international economic system was to preserve economic stability and full employment in the industrial world. Framework of Bretton Woods was agreed upon at the United Nations Monetary and Financial Conference held in July 1944 at Bretton Woods in New Hampshire in USA. Bretton Woods is a kind of place equal to the Hollywood, and it is situated in New Hampshire in USA. the two institutions of Bretton Woods system were introduced. First IMF and second World Bank. First IMF, International Monetary Fund. It was made to deal with external surplus and deficit of its member nation. Means it was made for dealing with the external surplus and a deficit at its member nations. Means the surplus which the country had, so they had to maintain their external surplus with the deficit of its member nation so that the economy could not be fail. And second was World Bank. It was popularly known as International Bank for Reconstruction and Development that was set up to finance post-war reconstruction because it was the kind of institution which was liberally giving the money to the countries which was totally destroyed in their economy. Both these institutions were referred sometimes as twins of Bretton Woods. Means IMF and World Bank were referred as twins of Bretton Woods. Features of the Bretton Woods system. Post-war international economic system is described as Bretton Woods system. Both institutions commenced financial operation in 1947. Both institutions were controlled by Western industrial power. Both institutions were controlled by Western industrial power. The US has an effective right of veto power over key IMF and World Bank decisions. The Bretton Woods system was based on fixed exchange rate. Fixed exchange rate means where the value of money which was used in the form of principal currency, the dollar, which was very equal with the relation of other currency. The dollar itself was anchoring to gold at fixed exchange rate that was 35 ounce per gold. $35 ounce per gold. From the four parties, the early post-war year. Bretton Woods system had given opportunity of growth of trade and income for the Western industrial nation and Japan. World grew annually at over 8% between 1950 and 1970. Incomes of world trade grew at nearly 5%. The growth of world trade was mostly stable. During this period, the unemployment rate was averaged less than 5% in most industrial countries. During this period, technology and enterprises were spread worldwide. Means there was the kind of need of every country to investment on the technology to survive the industries. Developing countries wanted rapid development as industrial countries, so big level investment of capital, equipment, modern technology were increased worldwide. Topic is from the fourth part, decolonization and independence. In the first, we will study the decolonization, the action or process of a state withdrawing from a former colony, leaving it independence. The act of getting rid of colonization or freeing a country from being dependent on another country, as India got freedom from Britain. Or very simple, when a country is getting the freedom from its colonial power, so it is called a decolonization. It is the opposite word of the colonization. When the Second World War was ended, large part of the world were still under European colonial rule. Over the next two decades, decade means the period of 10 years, most colonies in Asia and Africa emerged a free independent nation. They were, however, overburdened by poverty and lack of resources, and their economies and societies were handicapped by long period of colonial rule. Means the colonial power made these colonies a very deprived colonies where there was a shortage of everything that made the cause for a kind of poverty, starvation, hunger, unemployment, and many of the other weak things which made the colonies very handicapped. Decisions of Bretton Woods institution during the colonization. Bretton Woods institution shifted their attention more toward developing countries. Why? Because twins of the Bretton Woods were designed to meet the financial need of industrial countries. That was the aim. But in this aim, Bretton Woods was not successful. Why? The development of economics of Japan and Europe grew without IMF and World Bank. It became the biggest region to shift the attention after Bretton Woods system from Japan and Europe to other areas in the world. Topic is emergence of G77. So we will study what were the circumstances during the Group 77. Circumstances which were made for the growth of Group 77, that was these. Many countries as less developed regions of the world were the part of Western empires. Newly independent countries were facing the problem of poverty, hunger, food shortage. These countries sought the guidance of international agencies that were controlled by colonial power. Even after the freedom, these colonial power had maintained the control on resources, investment, and industrial labors and their wages. Group of developed countries exploited continue their resources very cheaply. Means we can say these circumstances means the circumstances which were made during the growth of Group 77, and these circumstances were made for the developing countries to take the decision for the growth of Group 77, and these circumstances were telling that the Group 77 was the need of developing countries, because circumstances means the situation or the condition which made trouble the poor countries, developing countries to take the tough decision, because all the power of the resources, labor, investment, and many of the other things in the hand of colonial power or the rich countries or the Western countries. Obviously, it was not everything in the hand of developing countries, so they had to take that decision. I think you could understand well. So we will study formation of Group 77. Most developing countries did not benefit from the large, fast growth of the Western economies that experienced in 1950 and 60. It was a big region because there were the two areas in the world. One was getting the highest speed development in the economy, and second was deprived from the economy. Second, developing countries organized themselves as a group G77, means Group 77, to demand a new international economic order. Means they wanted the new system for their development procedure. Means they wanted the different ways for their development procedure. Means they wanted the all right of themselves. They did not want any kind of the interference of the Western countries on their economic system. Aims of NIEO to get a real control over the resources. It should be in the hand of developing countries. Fairer price over natural resources should be also in the hand of developing countries. Better access of market for manufactured goods in developed countries means there should be also the control of the developing countries in their hand also. So student, we are moving into the last topic, the end of Bretton Woods and beginning of globalization. Despite years of stable and rapid growth, not all was well in this post-war world war, because many of the things was not in favor of many of the countries. Only the few countries were getting the success, economic achievement, industrial control, or they were getting all kind of facilities. But one part of the world there was everything was not available. US had left its control of finance on rising cost of overseas trade that weakened its economy. So some regions which was responsible for the ending of Bretton Woods and give the birth of globalization means the process of globalization was started with these steps also. The US dollar now as a principal currency no longer command confidence as a world's principal currency. It could not maintain its value in relation to gold, that led to collapse of system of fixed exchange rate, and floating exchange rate system was introduced. Means fixed exchange rate system was removed and floating exchange system was introduced. Fixed exchange system means where the value of currencies was fixed in the written out other currencies, but in floating exchange rate there were the kind of possibilities for the kind of condition where the rates would not be tough against the any currency. Developing countries were forced to borrow from Western commercial bank and private lending institution. Even earlier, these countries were told to take loan from the international institution. Means the poor countries or the developing countries were forced to take the loan from the Western commercial bank and private lending institution, but these countries were not told to take the loan from the World Bank and IMF. These conditions were made very toughest for the developing countries to take their decision in favor of their development. Industrial world was hit by the unemployment between 1970 and 1990. This period where it was witnessed for the kind of growing unemployment. So MNCs shifted their production operation in low wages countries because they did not want to give the more labor prices, labor charges for the production of goods which were used worldwide, because there was the option of the labor in some other areas in the world where the labor was agree to take the kind of work in the low wages. China grew as suitable destination of low wages for the MNCs in Western commercial countries. So China was also introduced for the choice for the MNCs or the other countries for the cheap manufacturing. It was the so in all such conditions where the globalization was introduced means every country was getting the right to introduce their economies in the worldwide. There was not any kind of the you will say stagnation or any kind of the problem was seen. So in such a way every country was enjoying the globalization means it was getting the free flow of movement in the goods, labor and capital, where it was getting its step everywhere in the whole world. There was not any kind of the no